हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं अमित राज हूँ और आज आप लोग के लिए सोशल साइंस का चैप्टर 1 इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन जियोग्राफी का क्वेश्चन आंसर लेकर आया हूँ। तो फिर चलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, चूज द राइट आंसर फ्रॉम द फोर अल्टरनेटिव्स गिवन बिलो। देन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर डज नॉट पास थ्रू ए राजस्थान, बी उड़ीसा, सी छत्तीसगढ़ and D Tripura. Then answer is Odisha. Second question, the easternmost longitude of India is A 97 degree 25 E and B 68 degree 7 E, C 77 degree 6 E and D 82 degree 32 E. Then answer is 97 degree 25 E. Third question, उत्तरांचल of उसका नया नाम है उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड सिक्किम हैव कॉमन फ्रंटियर्स विथ ए चाइना, बी भूटान, सी नेपाल एंड डी म्यांमार. देन आंसर इज नेपाल. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, इफ यू intend to visit Kavaratti during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? A Pondicherry, B Lakshadweep, C Andaman and Nicobar and D Diu and Daman. Then answer is Lakshadweep. Fifth question, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. A Bhutan, B Tajikistan, C Bangladesh and D Nepal. Then answer is Tajikistan. Second question, answer the following questions briefly. The first question is, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. The answer is Lakshadweep. Second question, name the countries which are larger than India. It was as descending order: Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. Third question, which island group of India lies to its southeast? The answer is Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. Fourth question, which island countries are our southern neighbors? The answer is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Third question, name the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? The answer is, from the longitudinal extent of India, it is observed that the longitudinal expanse is about 30 degrees from west to east. This means that there would be a time lag of 2 hours approximately from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. To avoid such differences in local time, Indian Standard Time has been fixed to give the whole country a uniform time. The local time of the standard meridian of 82 degree 30 E is observed as the standard time by the whole country. Because of this reason, we find that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. Fourth question, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? The answer is, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance because A. It has given India a strategic advantage due to the trans-Indian ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. This helps India to stabilize close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. C. The vast coastline and the natural harbors have benefited India in carrying out trade and commerce with its neighboring and distant countries since ancient times. D. It has given India a distinct climate than the rest of the Asian continent. E. No other country has such a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which has given the name of an ocean after it. क्वेश्चन देन ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग के लिए कंप्लीट हो गया है। अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और आप लोग ये मुझे कमेंट में बताना ना भूलें कि आप लोग को ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। थैंक यू और मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।